Wow. Hi everyone. So we are here in the mall. Long time we didn't visit here. So we're trying to order now. We're here to eat lunch. So we have here our order. So this is chicken and this is the sauce. This is Mojo's and toasted bread, spaghetti and Hawaiian pizza. So this one is more good because you have everything in one plate. And paired with the iced tea. Paired with iced tea. It really tastes good. Guys, we had already our lunch. It's done. So we're going to the supermarket. See, it's the supermarket. Yeah. So there's also other restaurants here. Yeah, and there's here is our money changer if you want to change money or send money. And there's also a supermarket and there's a pharmacy. So here in the supermarket, guys, this is a mini shake. They have also the siomai. If you want to order siomai, so whenever you are on shopping and you get hungry, so there's a problem. They have also bake shop. You can also see there's karaoke here. You can sing for free. See? Guys, so let's start checking what we need. Let's find a lot of promos on promos so we can save more money. So I take 2 bundles of soy sauce because we have this promo. If you buy 4, then you'll get 1 pancit canton for free. So yeah, I like promotions. So we're here in the soap area and we're looking also for bundles with free for promotions. They have a detergent powder, guys. 6 plus 1 That is promotion, guys, and here also that's all in promotions. Yeah, they have lots of promotions here and they still have there. Yeah. guys, so finally we're here in the counter. Okay guys, so we're done. We're done on our grocery. So we're going home now. So yes. We are here in the fruit stand. Wow. So guys, here we bought the fruits. Yeah, here the grocery. Some for personal use and some for our mini store. So yes. So yeah, that's it. So I think that's all for today. So thank you guys for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.